How to make Mexican style chicken soup. You're gonna need half a chicken in pieces. I'm gonna do it in the Instapot. This reduces cooking time from 3 to 1. And we're gonna add hot water. We're gonna add half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some oregano, and some laurel leaves. We're gonna add some salt. Cover it. We're gonna do pressure cook 30 minutes at low pressure. Let's check and see. We're gonna remove the onion and the impurities like this. We're gonna add the cilantro. We're gonna cover it and let it cook. Just covering it. I like to cook the vegetables separately. Here I have broccoli and chayote squash in about a cup of water. Then 2 corn ears, a celery stem chopped, and chopped Italian squash, or you can use gray squash. I have 2 chopped potatoes. This is optional. It's some chopped fennel leaves and 3 chopped carrots. We're gonna cover it so they cook faster. Let's check. Now the vegetables are ready. We're gonna turn it off and let them cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna try them with the soup. Now we're gonna try Caldo de Pollo, or Mexican style chicken soup. I'm gonna be trying it with this salsa. It has cocoa and peanuts in it. I'm gonna upload the recipe soon.